showing you a step-by-step process on how you can obtain an export license. You don't need to know anybody. You don't have to visit any office. You can do it online by yourself. Welcome to our channel, Voice of African Trade, where we discuss everything import and export, trade in general. Today we'll be talking about how to process your export license or export certificate. For first timers or first users, you can do this yourself and at the comfort of your home or office. I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can obtain an export license. You don't need to know anybody. You don't have to visit any office. You can do it online by yourself. Before we continue, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification bell. The basics. As an intending exporter, new exporter, there are some things you need to have before you can obtain an export license. Number one, you need to have a registered company. And when we're talking about registered company, we're talking about a limited liability company, a cooperative society, a government or non-governmental organization. If your company is incorporated using a business name, you are not eligible to obtain an export license. So if you need an export license as a business name holder, all you need to do is upgrade from a business name to a limited liability company. Number two, export must be one of the objectives of the company as stated in the Memorandum and Article of Association, MEMAS. So as a business owner, you've incorporated your business, but one of the objectives of that business is that you want to export, and it must be stated clearly on the Memorandum and Article of Association. And the body responsible for issuing this export license is the Nigerian Export Promotion Council. Let me show you how to do it. You open your browser, you go to www.nepc.gov.ng. Get started, and you go to e-registration. You click on e-registration and wait for the site to open. Scroll down and you'll see some guidelines and procedures. You see documents for limited liability company, documents for cooperative society, and documents for government and non-governmental organization. Now you also go down, you see the fee that is charged. You see for new certificates, it's 13,500. For expired certificate, it's 7,500. Then the late certificate renewal, it's 12,500 after 3 months. It's valid for 2 years. That's 24 months. That's the initial usual certificate that was issued. You scroll down and come to Take Me There. Come to Take Me There. At this point, you need to get your email address ready. It's either your company email address or a Gmail. You ensure that your Gmail is opened on your laptop because you're going to need it in obtaining the verification link that will be sent to you by any PC. As soon as the site opens, you scroll down to the end of the page and you see create an account. Create an account. You click on create an account, then to ask you for your email address. It will ask you, you input your email address here. Collage.com. Then you need to impute the code that is on the screen. Then you click on verify email. You need to do that fast. That is why I said you need your email to be opened. I said go to your inbox. I'll quickly go to my inbox to get the verification. All I need to do is I'll click on that verification link. After you've clicked on the link that was sent to your email address, this particular form will be displayed for you to fill your company information. Your company information, say 3T Impex Investment. The email is already there because you've already verified your email address. Or let me use 3T Impex Trade Academy. Then your phone number, you input your phone number there. Then a password, you pick a password that you can easily remember. Then you'll be asked to input the security code. Then you click on register. You will now register for the certificate. You click on new certificate. You input your company's name, the name of the CEO, name of the CEO, your office address, the state where the company is located, the local government, Surulere, your email address. You use the email address you used when you were doing the registration. Telephone number, the same telephone number. Your factory address. Usually for manufacturing companies who are thinking of exporting, their factory address is usually different from their office address. But if that's not the case, you can actually put the office address and their factory address can be the same if you are just a merchant or an export trader, not a manufacturing company. But if the manufacturing company is the same as the office address, you can just ignore it completely. But if it's not the same, you can impute that. Let's just say the factory address is 11B, the factory state is Ogun State, the local government of the factory is 4. Then this is where you need your company's registration number. Let's just use 1223459 and the year of incorporation 2023. You click on either save as draft if you want to return to complete it, or you can just click next. You want to proceed? Yes. The company type, company is a limited liability company, a cooperative society, a government or a non-governmental organization, and others. Can you notice that there's no business name here? You select your company, limited liability company, your company ownership, whether it's Nigerian or foreign or both. Yes, the gender of the ownership is male, female, whichever you want to choose. Your number of employees, 11 to 20. Then your projected annual turnover. Your projected annual turnover, say 5 to 15 million. The director's name. Director's address. director's email, I'll just use abc@gmail.com. You can actually use any email of your choice, director's phone number. All these informations are just for the video. Then if you have more than one director, you can input their names also, their names, the address, email, and the phone number. Then if you need more, you can also add more if there are more than 2 directors. You click on next. Do you want to proceed? Okay. Then on this page, you are going to choose your export category. Are you into manufacturing? Are you a merchant, or you offer services? Let me use merchant. What sector? I'm into the agri-product sector. And what do I export? Cashew kernel. Rated production capacity. That's for manufacturers only. The present production capacity for manufacturers only. Your warehouse capacity, those are for merchant. Now, my warehouse capacity is 70 tons. Under this product, under the product, you are not limited to only one product. Depending on what you as a merchant, what you're trading in, you can say cashew kernel, you can put sesame, you can put ginger. It's also one of the products, the list of products that you intend to export or you're currently exporting. Then you'll be asked the percentage of local raw materials for your products. What is the percentage of local raw materials? A percentage that says 90% local materials, then I import my imported material is 10%. And who is the contact person? The contact person can be your name or a representative of the company, or it can be any of the director, whoever. It can be the secretary, your PA, anyone. So let me use someone else. The person is my export manager. The address will be the address of my company. Email address can also be your company email address, then the phone number. At this point, you will need to upload some documents. Initially I said your registration details with CAC, you are going to be given a certificate of incorporation where you have inputted the certificate number in the previous page, your memorandum and article of association. And I said export must be one of your objectives and must be stated, written clearly in your memorandum and article of association. Then the other document you need is your current certified true copy. That's your C7. That's for the particulars of directors. Then this is a new one, a new addition to the list of documents that to be presented is a board resolution. Before now, there was no board resolution. Just 3 documents are going to be uploaded. You go to your computer, you're going to upload all those documents. I don't have, let's just, as a demo, I'm going to upload any document here, just to demonstrate, upload the documents, any documents. I'm just going to upload any document here. Then the board resolution is just a document that will tell the Nigerian Export Promotion Council that the board of directors have given the company the go-ahead to obtain an export license. That's all. That's what you think. Then after that is done, you click on preview. The preview is just to show you everything you have uploaded, everything you have submitted, all the information you've submitted and all the documents you've uploaded. You're going to see all of them. You look at all this just to cross-check, confirm that what you've inputted they are correct. Then you click on submit and proceed to payment. You come to your dashboard. When you come to your dashboard, that's on the left side of your screen, you click on certificate details. You see 3T Impact Trade Academy. That is the name of the company that was registered. You can see the status as unregistered. You see the IOC number we chose, the date the thing was created. Then you come to make payment. Make payment. On this page, you will see the fee and the service charge. The total is 13,500. And you click on make payment. The page will be redirected to remitter page where you input your card details, payer's name, you include your card details and you submit. Do not forget to like our video, share with your friends and family interested in export, and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you in our next video.